everyone, Leonard here from the Wooden Minecart. Today I'm gonna show you to how I make the rapid arrow. I'm here with Jule, the golden minecart. Okay.
Okay, I'm here. Yes.
Okay, let's start.
Okay, let's start.
Hindi ko masakit. Okay na. Let's start. Okay, go.
You need dispenser.
Ang kagawa. Ay, first you need dispenser. And pick your block of choice. I'm gonna pick the block of gold.
No,
Block of gold.
You
Gold, like that.
redstone. I gotta show you.
Sorry for laughing and screaming.
Hindi kasi nito eh.
Okay, let's start. 1,
Where are you?
2, 3,
4.
4, like that.
Yeah.
And
next,
place the arrow in the
next.
dispenser. And place the arrow.
I'm dead. Arrow. Okay, I'm gonna place the arrow. Hey. Uy, nerd.
Okay, this is the last one.
Redstone.
Like that.
Nalagyan mo yung lahat.
Okay.
And
And
place the
second,
bell.
hindi
Place
ganyan,
the
hindi
bell.
ganyan.
Hindi ka.
And redstone here.
There's... Ako na.
Like that. And place here, and here, and here, and here, and here. Like that. And can you get the redstone repeater? Like that. And sorry for screaming and laughing. Like that. Like that. And place redstone. And can you get the lever to start the rapid
Teka lang.
arrow? Okay, that's failed. Let's try it again.
Hindi mo silver pa na.
Let's fail again. Sorry for laughing. So hard.
Uy, ka na mga kayo. Ikot-ikot ko.
Like that. Let's try it again. Try it again. Jule TGMS is place the arrow in the dispenser.
Yeah.
And please wait.
Give me arrow. No arrow.
Kumuha dun.
Okay.
Oh, jeez. Kulang ako ng jeez. Gusto ko ng jeez. Oh, what the fuck?
Here.
Fuck you, Jule GTM.
Hey.
Fuck
No,
you.
No.
Your fucking face. Okay, let's start it again!
Yeah. You, umingay na itong
Sorry for laughing and screaming.
Uy, sino ba to? Still pinuwi mo. Huwag kayo pinuwi ko. Okay, again.
Again. Ah! I'm gonna spell again.
Come on, let's go the arrow.
Ah.
Wait.
3, 2, 1. Ah. 3, 2, 1, go. Ah.
Okay.
Sorry for screaming. Sige. Sorry for laughing and screaming. Sorry for screaming. And okay, that's my new video and please subscribe. Bye
Yes,
guys.
bye.